Hi, my name is Kathy Clements, and I am here today to tell you about fruit enzyme hydrolyzed collagen protein. You're like, why should I care about that? Well, there's a ton of hydrolyzed collagen proteins that are on the market. And so it's like, where do you go? How do you start? What's the best one out there? Well, I'll tell you what I think is the best one out there. And that is the VSI hydrolyzed collagen protein. And this is why. So I'm going to start with one of the products, and that is called Probita. And Probita is, and I'm just going to take it out of the bag, is a 4-gram chew of hydrolyzed collagen protein. You're not going to find this anywhere else. This is the one, the only pocket-sized hydrolyzed collagen that's on the market. VSI has been in existence for over 7 years now, and this is one of the mainstay products. It started right when the company began. It has 3 flavors. This is lingonberry, and lingonberry tastes like a starburst to me, like a little bit tart. There's orange, and orange tastes like orange. And then, of course, there's the bag that my go-to bag, which is the chocolate, which to me tastes like chocolate or a chocolate Tootsie Roll, a combination of both. And let me tell you, this cuts my sweet craving like that. So here's a little bit of fact, not a ton of information. I know everybody does their own research on the internet anyway, so I'm just going to give you a quick overview of hydrolyzed collagen that's on the market right now. So there's 4 different sources of hydrolyzed collagen. First one comes from pigs or pork, and that is not readily available to humans, but it is used a ton in animal foods. So that's the first one. Second one is marine collagen. Again, a lot of people use it. It's fairly inexpensive. It's made from the leftover parts that Americans don't normally eat. So different cultures eat sometimes head to tail of a fish. Well, normally in the United States, we'll cut the tail off, we cut the head off, and those parts we don't eat. Well, all the leftovers are the parts that are used to make marine collagen. The other thing that's different about marine collagen is it's a cold water animal. So cold water versus us, we're warm-blooded. So very different in the way they're put together. So the absorption rate isn't as great. So that's 2. Third one comes from chickens, and it's usually liquid. And like the others, it is boiled in acid to bring it out and break it down to be able to make it usable. Again, just like the marine collagen, it comes from the leftover parts of the chicken that we don't normally eat. So the beak, the talons, all that stuff that you would think would have a collagen protein in it, those are included in what's boiled into acid for over 30 hours usually, and broken down and then used, sometimes in a liquid, sometimes in a powder. Then there is beef protein. And beef protein, again, uses hooves and the hide, all that kind of stuff, and boils it in acid. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to take something that's been boiled in acid. And then there's what VSI does. And we take the collagen that is under the hide, but above the meat in the body of the animal. And we use that portion. We do not use acid to boil it. We use fruit enzymes, and it's about an 8-hour process. So it's fruit enzyme hydrolyzed collagen protein, and it's broken down into the peptides, the amino acids, and it's bioidentical for humans at that point. So it's about 95% absorbable. It has no nitrous oxides in it, and we can use it anytime. So for me, I take at least 2 of these with me wherever I go, so that if I start to get a hunger craving mid-morning, I eat one. If I get a hunger craving mid-afternoon, I eat one or 2. And if I have a sweet tooth, I also use it to curb my sweet tooth. So, because it's chocolate. So those are the ways I use it. The nice part about it is I'm in Arizona, I hike, and these are very compact and very readily available for me to use while I'm hiking. But hiking's just one form of exercise. You can use it while you're biking. You can use it in any kind of exercise. And this kind of hydrolyzed collagen protein will not upset your stomach or your system. So it won't make you, it won't upset your stomach. I'll leave it at that. And the absorption rate, like I said, is 95%. If you want more information, click the link below and I will definitely answer whatever questions I can. If you're one of those people that loves to have all the fact sheets and everything about a product, click below and I will send that to you. And you can have all the fact sheets and all of the ingredients on the product. If you're someone that says, I am going to jump right in and buy it now, there's also a buy now button below, and that will send you directly to my website and you can purchase it there. We have a whole string of products, about 9 right now. And the Probita, so that's the name you're looking for, Probita, is listed there as well, in packages as well as individual products. So I hope this was informational for you. I hope it was helpful, and everybody needs hydrolyzed collagen, just saying. The older we get, collagen helps us, the inside and the out. Talk to you soon.